Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I bring to you an awesome hack to defrost your food. In the part of the world where I stay, we use plastic plates to store food cooked like rice, soup and virtually everything storable in the fridge or deep freezer. And when there is a need to eat those food stored in the fridge, we bring it out and immediately put it into our microwave. Now, through my research, those plates being put into the microwave is not healthy for the body because there are some chemicals being released from the body of the plates because they're plastic, thereby causing some healthful issues we face today. Now guys, without wasting much of your time, I would like to introduce two ways you can defreeze the food faster without using microwave. One is using water and two is leaving it under the fan for some minutes. Now I will have to switch over to introduce those ways to you. Okay guys, in this case we're going to use a soup as an experiment to showcase this. So this is the soup, and as I said earlier, the components we're going to use to defreeze any food you bring out from the freezer could be a standing fan, water, or a ceiling fan. Now guys, let's come to how we can actually achieve to defreeze this soup that we brought out straight from the deep freezer. So to do that, for the first method, I'm going to use water. So all you do is you take the soup and you immerse it inside the water. Immerse it inside the water, and you be careful so that the water won't enter inside the soup. Then you can leave it for 30 minutes to 1 hour or 1 hour 30 minutes, then it will defreeze. So guys, the second alternative component to do this is a standing fan. So all you just have to do is you take the soup, place it directly under the standing fan, and you open it a little bit, or you can decide to close it, but it's preferably you leave it open a little bit. Then you switch on the fan. So I'm going to switch on the fan now. Alright guys, so the fan is on and the soup is directly under it. You can do this for any food you bring out from the freezer, and why the fan is better is because it will defreeze faster than the water. So all you just have to do is just put it under the fan, and before 1 hour the food is defrozen. So I'll take you to the next one you can actually use. Okay guys, so this is the soup. It has defrozen. Now you can actually take it out of the plastic plates into your glassware and warm in the microwave. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. The next alternative and most preferable way is to leave it under a ceiling fan. So all you just have to do is you place it on a table and you leave it open leave it open. As you can see, it's still ice blocked, so you leave it open. Then this is the fan, then you switch it on. Before 1 hour it will be defrozen. So I prefer this method to other ones, even though the standing fan is almost still the same thing as the ceiling fan, but I still prefer this method. So I'm going to switch on the fan, then I'm going to leave it under the fan for an hour. I doubt if it will reach an hour, but it will not reach an hour. Probably I'm going to leave it for 45 minutes under the ceiling fan. Okay guys, so I've put on the fan. This is it turning, and this is the soup under it. So we wait for 45 minutes, then our food will be defrozen. Then we can put it inside. You can take it out of the plastic plate and put inside a glassware, then we can then microwave it. So guys, I hope this video has been great, and I hope you hit the like button